Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss how to fix Instagram not updating on your Android device. If Instagram refuses to update properly on your Android phone or tablet, there are a few things you can try to resolve the issue. We will walk you through simple steps to ensure you can quickly fix any problems preventing the app from updating correctly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent Instagram updates from downloading. Ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and your connection is strong and reliable. If connected, but Instagram still will not update, move on to the next step. Clear the Google Play Store cache and data. Temporary files and information stored in the cache could impact update availability, so clearing it removes any potential blockers. To clear the Google Play Store cache and data, open your Android settings and tap Apps and Notifications. Find Google Play Store and tap to open it. Select Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Restart your device and attempt updating Instagram again. If Instagram continues refusing updates after clearing cache, you may need to manually download and install the latest version. Search online for the most recent Instagram APK and install it on your Android to refresh the app. To manually update Instagram, open a web browser on your Android and search for Instagram APK. Find the link to download the latest APK version. Tap the link to begin downloading the file. Once download completes, tap the APK file to begin installation. Restart your phone or tablet once installation finishes, and try updating Instagram. Uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram as a last resort will remove any corrupted data, preventing proper updating. Reinstalling the fresh app will allow it to update correctly again. To uninstall and reinstall Instagram, open your Android settings and tap Apps and Notifications. Find Instagram and tap to open it. Select Uninstall and confirm to remove the app. Return to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram again. Install the latest version of the app. Restart your device once Instagram installs and attempt updating the app. In summary, if Instagram will not update on your Android, try checking your connection, clearing its Play Store cache, manually updating the app, or uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. These methods should resolve any issues preventing the app from updating properly. Please let us know if you have any other questions or require further assistance. Like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips were useful in helping you fix any problems updating Instagram on your Android device. Provide feedback or comments below regarding any other topics you would like us to cover in future videos.